As many of you know, I like to use the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, but we have a little treat here. This is the Mate X.
Mate X, yes.
Yes. So this is not a breaking phone. So I kind of like this because when you get to this size, obviously you have much more multimedia content consumption, and probably even with pictures, using the camera. Is there a way to make it so the person can see it on the back?
So it'll be a screen mirror. You want to use this part right here?
Oh yeah, screen mirror. So the person you're taking a picture of can see what they will look like. So I kind of like that. So that's kind of a practical use for a device like this, plus all the Netflix consumption and everything else that comes along with it. So nice hinge too. It's very sturdy. And I like this lip that comes down on it as well. Very cool.